on.
Kyle!
Kyle! Is this true, Mike? Did you say this to the judge?
Yeah, I did.
So then why did you move him if he wanted to stay here?
Because it would have been too much work to leave him here, okay? I couldn't handle it.
Well, then you shouldn't have taken him.
I had to do it, all right?
Why?
Because I needed the money, okay? We need the money.
So you took some old man out of his home to make money off him? What,
No!
are you out of your freaking mind?
No! I did not think that it would get this complicated, okay?
Really? Or you just didn't think you'd get caught?
Jack, where you going?
Home.